Need to share links on your Facebook profile? Let's learn how to do it directly on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add links on your Facebook profile using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, you will see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it. Scroll down the edit page until you find the Links section. Here, you will see an option to add links. Tap on the Add button right next to it. Now, you have two options. If you want to add social links, tap on the Add Social Links option, or if you want to add a website link, tap on the Add Website option. In the provided field, paste the website address you want to add to your profile. Finally, tap on the Save option located at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes. And this is how you can add links on your Facebook profile on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.